Hello guys, I'm going to show you guys in this video how you can unfreeze the Freecash account. I already made a video about this topic, but this is like a new update. I will show you guys everything I know from my own experience about how you can get or how to unfreeze a Freecash account. Okay, so if your account is frozen, then this tutorial is for you. Okay, the first thing I want you guys to make sure that you are not using is a VPN. So Freecash doesn't allow users to use VPN. Okay, just keep that in mind. If you use VPN on your phone or you forgot to use VPN, that's the reason why they can freeze your account or you are using it on desktop. Another way guys to check is to check this notifications icon here in the top right. You just need to check here if there is a notification that says verify or something like that. Sometimes they need to verify that it's actually you who owns this account, so they will ask you for some information. You just need to give it to them and you will be able to restore your account. Okay, so it says your notifications. As you can see, I don't have any notification right now, so just make sure that they don't ask you for anything. Or you can also go to your email associated with your Freecash account and you will be able to receive an you will see there an email with any problem you have on your Freecash, and then you will be able to see the instructions on how to solve it inside your email associated, like I said, with your Freecash account. Now another way which will work for everyone is to click here at the bottom in the bottom right for here, and then click on search for help, and here you want to search for, okay, just search here for my Freecash for my free cash, my Freecash account was frozen. Okay, so just do that. Just search here for free. Okay, let me search how you can do this. Okay guys, I searched. They changed the questions here. They used to have here my Freecash account was frozen, and then they give you the contact button, but it seems like they changed it. Now what you guys need to do is to click here on messages, and you want to click here, and it says here my account has been frozen. Okay, so you will be able to see it here. So as you can see, my account has been frozen. Now please describe why do you think that we should unfreeze your account. You just need to click on continue, as you can see, and you can give here like as you can see, they will review this. Just give them the reason why they should unfreeze your account, because you didn't do anything wrong. Just explain to them exactly what happened, then select next, and then they will unfreeze your account. Okay, hope guys this tutorial helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next tutorial. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next tutorial.